Hi, Tracy McEneaney here from Waterford Libraries. We have a fun-filled summer for children ahead. Make sure your child joins the Summer Stars reading programme. Summer Stars is the public library's national summer reading programme for children that is running now until the end of August, the 24th of August. All children throughout Waterford, city and county, are invited to join the adventure and to enjoy the fun and pleasure of reading over the summer. Summer Stars is non-competitive and it is all completely free. Pop into any of our 12 library branches across Waterford City and County and pick up your reading card to track your progress. And remember to turn the reading card to Waterford Libraries before the 24th of August. And you will receive a medal and certificate in school during autumn 2026. Another national initiative is the Little Library Book Bag for every child starting junior infants in September 2026. Take a look at waterfordlibraries.ie for all the free events for children over the summer. We are not forgetting about adults. We have writing workshops and, very exciting news, Waterford Libraries are now inviting Waterford residents for submissions for our first literary journal. Lots happening in your local library. Join Waterford Libraries today. Membership is free and there are no fines. See you soon at your local library.